Alright, I've got the final version, I think. Uh, I've got the clips in there. I had to move the little holes for them from that side of the switch to the other side. That was one change I made. I also increased the tolerances inside here, so there's a bit more wiggle room. And that's pretty much all I changed since the one I showed in the last video. But I just printed this switch fresh, and I haven't sanded anything. This is just how it came out. But Swishy was asking me how this sounds compared to like a regular rattly stabilizer. So I've got authentic cherry stabilizer in here, I think. And listen. Hear that rattle? That's just me gently touching it. Now let's press it all the way down. This is the thing we're trying to avoid. Hear that? So let's hear my switch. Let's see if I can do this. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and balance it right on the same plate here with my pinky. Well, I won't be able to do it with the phone like that. Oh, maybe I will. Oh, never mind. Anyways, let's, oh, you know what I can do? I'll just do this. Here we go. So let's hear the difference. I'm actually hitting this one harder. I think that's just, like when I tap it like that, that's just the tolerance. So if you don't mind being very precise with your wire bends, you could actually probably get rid of that altogether. But this is the sound difference from a... I bet the spacebar will sound even better. But I gotta get my wire bending jig set up for that. Oh, it got stuck there for a second. It's probably just my terrible wire bending job. See how it's not like flat on the left side. I tried to fix it, but I also printed out a little wire straightener tool so that I don't have that problem in the future. But my wire bending jig hopefully will solve all these problems. Which just finished. Awesome.